Which wireless truck camera is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera. The AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera. This one caught my eye right away because of its impressive features, and it's priced at $159.99. If you want a reliable backup camera that offers a dual split screen for complete coverage, this is worth a serious look. The 7.2-inch dual split screen is a game changer. It gives you a wide view without any distortion, meaning you won't miss anything while you're driving or reversing. The camera's IP69K waterproof rating ensures it can handle tough weather, and the 1080p HD resolution means you can clearly see details, even at night, thanks to its infrared night vision. This matters because it allows you to confidently navigate in low-light situations or during inclement weather. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation process was a bit tricky for them. Here's the thing though, if you're not a fan of DIY projects, the quick 1-minute install might still surprise you with how easy it can be. Just make sure you follow the instructions closely. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, hassle-free camera for your truck or RV. Skip this one if you need advanced features like multiple camera views, but for the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the AutoVox's installation complexity bothered you, this next one takes a different approach.
Product number 2, V-Times Wireless Backup Camera. The V-Times Wireless Backup Camera, priced at just $69.99. This caught my attention because it offers a strong wireless signal and a decent 7-inch HD monitor. If you're on a budget but still want reliable safety features, this is a good option. What's impressive about this camera is the 984-foot signal range, which means you won't experience lag or interruptions in video feed even when you're far away from the monitor. Plus, with its 120-degree wide-angle view, it helps eliminate blind spots, which is crucial for preventing accidents. This matters for you, especially if you often find yourself in tight spots or areas where visibility is limited. However, some users found the instructions a bit confusing. I get it, it can be frustrating trying to figure out where everything goes. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the setup isn't that hard. Just give yourself a bit of time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable solution that still packs a punch with features. Skip it if you need something with more advanced alert systems, but it still offers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more advanced.
Product number 3, Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. Let's talk about the Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera, priced at $99.99. This one really caught my eye because of its unique magnetic installation. If you want something easy to install without the hassle of wires, give this a serious look. This camera is powered by a rechargeable battery, and the solar feature means it's perfect for long trips. No need to worry about it dying on you. The 5-inch HD monitor gives you a clear view, and the IP68 rating means it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Here's why this matters. You can use it confidently in any environment, from rain to shine, without worrying about it failing you. One downside is that some users notice that the battery life could be shorter than expected if used frequently. But honestly, if you're using it wisely and charging it up when you can, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for those looking for a hassle-free solution that works well on the go. Skip this one if you need a larger screen size, but it's a solid choice for convenience. Now, if the battery life of the magnetic option concerns you, the next product has a massive battery capacity that could keep you covered.
Product number 4, Venluna Dual Wireless Magnetic Camera. The Venluna Dual Wireless Magnetic Backup Camera, priced at $189.99. This caught my attention because it offers 2 cameras for even better coverage. If you want comprehensive views from both your truck and trailer, this is worth checking out. The 7-inch 1080p HD monitor delivers a crystal clear view, and it supports up to 4 cameras, which is fantastic if you plan on expanding your setup later on. The solar-powered 15,000 mAh battery means you can use it for up to 24 hours on a full charge. Here's why this matters. When you're on long trips, you don't want to worry about running out of power, especially when you need visibility the most. However, some users have mentioned that the camera placement can be tricky, especially if your vehicle isn't metal. Here's the thing though, you can always use the additional mounting brackets provided, which makes it versatile for different setups. This is perfect for those who often tow and need multiple angles covered. Skip this if you're looking for a simple 1-camera setup, but it's packed with features for the price. Alright, that was a fantastic option, but the final product might just take the cake in terms of functionality.
Product number 5, 2 magnetic solar wireless backup camera. We have the 2 magnetic solar wireless backup camera, priced at $219.99. This one is impressive because it comes with not just 1, but 2 cameras for maximum coverage. If you want the best visibility for hitching and reversing, this is the one to consider. With a 7-inch IPS monitor, you get a bright, clear display. The installation is a breeze and takes only 3 minutes, which means you can get set up and ready to go without wasting any time. This camera system also supports DVR recording, which can be crucial for capturing important moments on the road. Here's why this matters for you. It provides peace of mind knowing you have footage in case of an incident. However, some reviews pointed out that the price tag is a bit steep compared to others. But honestly, when you factor in the dual camera system and high-quality features, it could be worth the investment if visibility is your top priority. This is perfect for those who need extensive coverage and want to invest in safety. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but it's a premium option that delivers. Now, let's recap what we've covered today.
To wrap things up, the AutoVox is fantastic for visibility. The Losudi shines for ease of installation. The Casoda offers great connectivity. The DVK-NM is super user-friendly. And the Venluna provides comprehensive coverage. Each has its unique benefits, so choose what fits your needs best.